Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Solana tokens between exchanges. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from Bitrue to Bitmart. This process is simple, but always double-check for security to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Bitmart. You'll need some Solana in your Bitrue wallet and the exact deposit address from Bitmart. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Solana balance. Click on Withdraw next to Solana. This will open a form where you'll enter the details. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, select Solana as the cryptocurrency. Now, go to your Bitmart account and navigate to the deposit section for Solana. Copy the deposit address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Paste this address into the Address field on Bitrue. Don't forget to double-check it to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated fee and ensure you're sending enough to cover it. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify via email or 2FA. After confirmation, the transaction will process on the Solana blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Bitmart and check your wallet to see the Solana arrive. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. And keep an eye on gas fees, as they can fluctuate in 2025's crypto landscape. That's it for this guide. If you follow these steps, you'll have your Solana transferred smoothly. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.